So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair Vizio Soundbar to TV without HDMI, optical aux and BT adapters. So method first is digital optical cable. Remove protective plastic caps from both ends of the optical cable. Plug one end into the TV optical out and connect other end to the optical input on the Vizio soundbar. Power on the soundbar and press the input button until the LED indicator shift to optical. Open your TV setting menu, then navigate to audio or sound setting. Change the audio output to optical or external speaker. Adjust the digital audio format to PCM in the TV advanced setting if necessary. Second method is Bluetooth wirelessly. Power on the soundbar, then press and hold the button for 3-5 seconds. Observe LED light flashing to indicate pairing mode. Access TV Bluetooth or network setting. Scan for nearby devices. Select Vizio soundbar to pair. Third fix is AUX or RCA cable. Plug a 3.5 mm cable into the TV's headphone audio jack out. Then connect the other end of the AUX cable to the soundbar's AUX port. Then alternatively use a 3.5 mm to RCA cable if the TV has RCA output. Set the soundbar input to AUX. Adjust the TV volume to approximately 75% for optical signal strength to the soundbar. Thanks for watching.